Welcome, this is Tika Vandenherk and I'm here to show you 3041 Northeast 39th Street. Come on in. This is a traditional floor plan with a separate living room and dining room with your bedrooms on the second floor. Let me show you the dining room. Beautiful crystal chandelier. Leading into the separate kitchen. This is our east master bedroom with a full ensuite and walk-in closet. We've got 3 other bedrooms down the hall with a full family bath, ending over here at the west master suite as well. With a full walk-in closet and a gorgeous redone full master bath. Six bedrooms with 2 master suites, 4.5 bathrooms, approximately 4,000 square feet with a 2-car garage and 85 feet on the water on an 80-foot canal with a brand new dock.